chains. Echoes call from a distant line, fire in the heart, steel in the mind. Yeah, let's go. Rolling thunder, I don't look back, past in the mirror, fading black. I lost and bled, I paid my dues, but I still shine with the midnight blue. Let it burn, baby. Sweat and smoke on the edge of time. Truth gets dirty, but the soul still climbs. Every scar's a lesson learned. Every fall, another turn. Oh, yeah. Wind's howling, but I won't bend. My road of fire will never end. I see tomorrow through the flame. The storm may hit, but I remain. Burning horizon, calling my name. Right in the edge, unchained by pain. Burning horizon, wild and free. The fire ahead belongs to me. Yeah, come on. Dust to dust, but I still fight. Chasing the dawn through endless night. Can't stop the roar, can't kill the flame. The road remembers who I became.